Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the presentation you'll control. Open the deck and confirm target slides exist. First, create clear slide targets or sections so Zoom has destinations to link to. Now go to Insert, choose Zoom, then select Slide Zoom and pick the exact slides you want active. This embeds live thumbnails, so you can jump without linear order. Once done, position and size those thumbnails on a menu or hub slide. Make sure they're readable and prompted in the order you expect. Once thumbnails are placed, you control how each jump behaves. Select a thumbnail and open Zoom tools for settings. Use the Zoom transition to enable smooth animated movement and test preview to see timing. This matters because motion keeps attention. Choose whether each slide returns to the Zoom hub after viewing by toggling Return to Zoom, or let the presentation continue linearly if that fits your flow. Make sure thumbnail borders and labels are clear so viewers know where each jump goes. You finish by rehearsing the whole interaction. Start the slideshow, click each Zoom thumbnail, and confirm the return settings behave as planned. If an animation or transition doesn't run, check for conflicting timings or unsupported effects and simplify those slides. PowerPoint sometimes disables complex transitions during Zoom jumps. If thumbnails detach or link wrong slides, recreate that slide zoom on a saved backup and reposition it. One key tip: save a copy before big changes so you can restore a working Zoom quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.